Meaning of Girl Friday.
Girl Friday.
Girl Friday.
Girl Friday.
Girl Friday. The term Girl Friday refers to a female assistant who performs a wide range of tasks for her employer or boss, often including secretarial and administrative duties. The phrase originated from the character Friday in Robinson Crusoe, who was loyal, helpful, and willing to perform any task necessary. Over time, the term has evolved to describe any reliable and capable female assistant who was quick to help out whenever needed, regardless of the task. Girl Fridays are highly valued for their versatility, resourcefulness, and willingness to take on any challenge that comes their way.